Welcome to the Mentored Engineer, and thanks for joining us today. I'm sitting down here with Corey Rasmussen, who's going to tell us a little bit more about the website today. So Corey, thank you for joining us.
You're welcome.
And let's start off with, what is the vision behind the Mentored Engineer?
My vision was simple, Tom. When I started this project, I wanted to get engineers who were just graduating from college to a place where they can actually do some things in their field very quickly. And the reason for that was I was fortunate to have a wonderful engineer or mentor for 5 years. And he brought me through, basic design, things like that. And I learned a ton in those 5 years. But there's a lot of cases where somebody doesn't have that mentor, or they just, want to learn, and it's something not in their field of study. And now they have the opportunity to learn how to do things without having a in-person physical mentor.
Great. It sounds like it could be very helpful. What sets the Mentored Engineer apart from other similar resources out there?
Tom, when I was doing my research, I found that there was kind of two camps for the engineer to look for information. The first one was the college type instructional class, which is boring. And a lot of them were just filmed in front of a classroom and posted online. Not very helpful for the young engineer, trying to apply the stuff they've learned. The other one is the really technical articles that are posted in journals and other magazines. And they have, they'll be talking about, efficiencies of gas turbines, or, how to do FEA on complex shapes. And that's not something that, a young engineer's ready for either. So I wanted to put something in the middle, and there really doesn't seem to be anything out there.
Great. So what would the average engineer hope to gain from this resource?
Tom, I can summarize that in one word, and that word is confidence. When you have a design and you're not sure if it'll work or not, and you're kind of hemming around, people pick up on that, and they think, man, even the designer of this is not confident of it. So it goes both ways. If you are confident about it, people start to listen to you, and they're going to respect your opinion and ask for your opinion in the future. So, if I can instill confidence in just saying, yeah, I've seen this guy design this bearing, and now I'm confident that I could pick out a bearing for my application, that's wonderful. That's the goal of what I'm trying to do here. So, Tom, one word, confidence.
So what topics do you plan to cover overall on the website?
Well, Tom, we're going to keep it in the realm of the structural side of mechanical engineering for now. We're going to include things like beam bending, buckling, sizing bearings, calculating pins. We're going to look at how to determine stress flow without using FEA. We're going to look at some joint design basics. Honestly, Tom, the list goes on and on. Even today, I added 3 more things to my list that grows exponentially every time I look at it. So we're not going to run out of topics anytime soon.
Well, that sounds great. And for the viewer out there, a lot of helpful resources and information. So thank you for your time today, Corey. We appreciate that. And we do invite the viewers to join to keep up with all of the resources, the new resources, and everything available that will come to pass for the website. So thanks for joining us today.